In what some have called a beautiful chess move, Attorney General Merrick Garland announced Thursday afternoon he has asked a federal judge to unseal the search warrant FBI agents used to enter Mar-a-Lago and confiscate possibly thousands of items, including classified documents. Let's watch as Garland addressed the nation in his first public statement since FBI agents searched former President Donald Trump's residence earlier this week.
The Justice Department has filed a motion in the Southern District of Florida to unseal a search warrant and property receipt relating to a court-approved search that the FBI conducted earlier this week. That search was of premises located in Florida belonging to the former president. The department did not make any public statements on the day of the search. The former president publicly confirmed the search that evening, as is his right. Copies of both the warrant and the FBI property receipt were provided on the day of the search to the former president's counsel, who was on site during the search. The search warrant was authorized by a federal court upon the required finding of probable cause. The property receipt is a document that federal law requires law enforcement agents to leave with the property owner. The department filed the motion to make public the warrant and receipt in light of the former president's public confirmation of the search, the surrounding circumstances, and the substantial public interest in this matter.
Trump and his allies expressed outrage over the FBI's Monday search and have since claimed that agents planted evidence, a conspiracy theory that first appeared on social media but quickly made it to Fox News' airwaves. In a series of posts on Truth Social, Trump continued to rage against the investigation while addressing the DOJ's motion to unseal the search warrant, stating, "Not only will I not oppose the release of documents related to the un-American, unwarranted, and unnecessary raid and break-in of my home in Palm Beach, Florida, Mar-a-Lago, I'm going a step further by encouraging the immediate release of those documents." A federal judge has given Trump and his lawyers until Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time to oppose the Department of Justice's request to unseal the search warrant and property receipt. The warrant will most likely list logistical information, such as the place to be searched, a general description of items to be searched for, the name of the judge, and a deadline by which the DOJ has to execute the search. The warrant may also have an attachment, which typically will cite the laws that the DOJ has probable cause to believe were violated. The second document is the inventory or the receipt of items seized. Many are cheering Attorney General Merrick Garland, who frequently has been the target of frustration on the left for appearing not to be acting expeditiously against Trump. USA Today opinion columnist Michael J. Stern summed up Garland's actions, commenting, "Merrick Garland to Trump, I'm going to let the world see the gobs of evidence we have that led to the search warrant, unless you object, in which case you will be signaling to the world that you have gobs to hide." Dr. Mary Trump, the former president's niece, also chimed in Thursday evening, saying, "Garland is playing chess. Donald can only play checkers, so he's being outmaneuvered. He's also gotten tripped up. It never occurred to Donald that somebody who looks like Merrick Garland and talks like Merrick Garland is actually a ninja." Attorney General Garland is bound by a long-standing policy not to comment on ongoing investigations. In contrast, Trump can essentially say anything he wants, whether true or not, with impunity. They aren't playing by the same set of rules, but for the moment, Garland is forcing Trump to show his hand. Trump's legal team may advise him to oppose the DOJ's motion to unseal the search warrant, but we will know by 3 p.m. today. Thank you for watching Raw Story TV. Please be sure to visit us at rawstory.com. Stay informed and tap below to take action by liking, subscribing, and joining all those who like their news raw.